In last video, we have removed the battery warning message and modified the battery health data with Chinese battery corrector. After the video launched, people love it, and meanwhile we have audience feedback that the solution is not perfect, because we can see difference from physical appearance compared with the new battery. Is there any better solution? ElecWorld works closely with this, and we found a built-in battery board solution. Compared with the earlier external battery board, it can recover battery appearance like brand new, and works on both iPhone 11 and 12 series, but it also requires higher repair skills. Now let's fix it with iPhone 11 battery as an example. Let's check the battery info of this iPhone 11 at first. We see its battery efficiency goes to 85%. Power off. Remove screen and take out the genuine battery, and prepare to test the battery data with GCVwise programmer. Before that, we need to assure GCVwise has the latest system version, otherwise we can't read and write battery data. Connect GCVwise with the computer, open GC Repair Assistant and upgrade it. We can see it's in upgrading now. Wait a moment and then it will get completed. After system upgradation, let's test the battery data with GCVwise programmer. We can see the battery cycle goes to 776 times and battery efficiency goes to 88%. Next, peel off protect film from battery board, unfold two metal pieces and cut it off from battery cell. It's very important that we can't connect two battery metal pieces during cutting. Otherwise, the anode and the cathode will connect, and the battery will get short-circuited or battery board get burned. Now we got the individual genuine battery boards, and ready to install it on the new battery cell. However, before that we must connect it with GC built-in batteryflex in advance. There are 6 solder joints of GC built-in batteryflex. We locate 6 solder joints on genuine battery board accordingly. There are inductance above solder joints, so we use hot air gun and blade to remove them. Apply solder paste and clean 4 solder joints out with solder iron. Apply solder paste again, reball the tin back and brush with PCB cleaner. Because the cathode solder joint was protected with a flex surface treatment, we need to remove them with blade. Apply solder paste on them, reball the tin back and brush with PCB cleaner. Reverse the flex, and we proceed the same procedure with the anode solder joint. Take it off from fixture. Now we completed the repair of genuine board. Here there are 6 solder joints with tin ball. Next, let's prepare the GC built-in batteryflex. To connect the genuine battery board and the GC batteryflex, we need to make 6 pieces of 0.1 mm copper solder wire, about 1 cm long for each piece. Then we apply solder paste on 6 solder joints and plant tin ball for later jumper wire. Connect the jumper wire on 6 solder joints in turn, and brush with PCB cleaner again. Then we got the GC batteryflex ready. Align 6 joints between 2 boards. Apply solder paste. Solder all 12 joints of 2 boards correspondingly with jumper wires. Clean all solder joints and check if there are crosses between jumper wires. If so, we must separate them to prevent short circuit after connected with the battery cell. Compared with the genuine battery cell, just like what we show in the video, please make sure the anode and the cathode are in correct position. Weld the new board assembly and battery cell with portable spot welder, and apply high temperature resistant tape before bending 2 boards together. This is very critical to prevent the solder joint disconnect or get short circuit during bending. Next, let's reverse battery data with GCVwise. Connect the new battery with the GCVwise battery detection board. We can see there are still the genuine battery data. With 3 different buttons, we can modify the battery efficiency to 100% and modify battery cycle to 0 times. Also, you can change it to the data you want. Now it's a key point step. We take another battery to install and power on. Because it's not a genuine battery, there will be a warning message on the login page. Also, we will find the warning message in battery health, and it won't show maximum capacity. The reason for this step is for activating phone to restore the phone data. It's a critical step we must do, otherwise the data can't be reversed successfully. After activating phone, let's install the new battery, which has installed the Builtin batteryflex. This time we see the warning message pop out, but disappear immediately. This means the iOS has recognized the new battery as genuine battery. Enter setting battery health, we see no warning message. Also, battery efficiency goes to 100%. At last, let's connect phone with computer. Open 3 utils in computer and test the phone data. We can see battery efficiency goes to 100% and charging time goes to 0, just as we modified. Here is a very interesting question. What will happen if we just modify battery data without changing battery cell? Please leave your comment and subscribe our channel for more tech video updates.